Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Spicy noodles have become one of the most popular comfort foods across the globe, bringing together bold flavors, satisfying textures, and endless possibilities for customization. Whether served as a quick weekday lunch, a comforting dinner after a long day, or a delicious late-night snack, spicy noodles continue to be a favorite among people of all ages. Their popularity comes from their ability to combine simple ingredients into a flavorful meal that is both affordable and easy to prepare. One of the most exciting things about spicy noodles is that no two bowls are exactly the same. Every country, every region, and even every household has its own way of preparing them. Some recipes focus on a rich garlic flavor, while others highlight smoky chili peppers, creamy sauces, or savory broths. Some versions are incredibly spicy, while others offer just a gentle warmth that enhances the overall flavor without overpowering the dish. No matter the variation, spicy noodles continue to prove that simple ingredients can create extraordinary meals. The history of noodles stretches back thousands of years. Although different cultures have their own unique noodle traditions, noodles have become a universal food enjoyed in nearly every corner of the world. Over time, people began combining noodles with local spices, herbs, sauces, vegetables, and proteins, creating countless recipes that reflect regional tastes and traditions. Today, spicy noodles are found in restaurants, street food markets, family kitchens, and even gourmet dining establishments, showing just how versatile this simple dish has become. Before preparing the recipe, it's helpful to understand what makes a great bowl of spicy noodles. The perfect balance comes from combining several flavors. Saltiness from soy sauce, sweetness from a small amount of sugar, richness from aromatic oils, freshness from vegetables and herbs, and heat from chili peppers all work together to create a meal that is exciting from the first bite to the last. None of these flavors should completely overpower the others. Instead, they should complement each other to create a balanced and enjoyable dish. Let's begin by preparing the ingredients. The foundation of this recipe is the noodles. Fortunately, there are many excellent choices available. Instant ramen noodles are one of the quickest options and are commonly used because they cook in only a few minutes. However, fresh ramen noodles provide a softer texture and a more authentic taste. Egg noodles offer a rich flavor, while udon noodles are thick and chewy. Rice noodles provide a lighter texture, making them ideal for people who prefer gluten-free alternatives. Whole wheat noodles can also be used if you're looking for additional fiber. Choosing the right noodle depends entirely on your personal preference. Thin noodles absorb sauces quickly and deliver bold flavors with every bite. Thick noodles create a heartier meal and provide a satisfying chewiness that many people enjoy. Regardless of the variety you choose, cooking the noodles correctly is essential for achieving the best texture. Now let's prepare the ingredients for the sauce. You'll need 4 cloves of fresh garlic, finely minced. Garlic is one of the key ingredients because it creates the aromatic base of the dish. As it cooks in oil, it releases a rich fragrance that immediately fills the kitchen with an inviting aroma. Prepare 1 medium onion and chop it into small pieces. The onion adds natural sweetness and depth while balancing the spicy flavors that will be added later. Measure 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Soy sauce contributes saltiness and a deep umami flavor that enhances every other ingredient. Next, prepare 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce provides richness and a subtle sweetness that complements the soy sauce perfectly. If you prefer a vegetarian version, mushroom sauce works as an excellent substitute while maintaining a similar savory taste. Now prepare 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. This ingredient combines spicy chili peppers with roasted garlic, creating both heat and flavor in a single ingredient. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of crushed chili flakes. These provide visible pieces of chili throughout the dish and allow you to easily adjust the spice level. For those who enjoy extra heat, prepare 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Different chili powders have different levels of spiciness, so feel free to adjust the amount according to your personal preference. Measure 1 teaspoon of sugar. Although it may seem surprising to add sugar to spicy noodles, the small amount helps balance the saltiness and heat while creating a more rounded flavor. Prepare 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil has a distinctive nutty aroma that instantly elevates the dish. You'll also need half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for additional warmth and complexity. For garnish, prepare 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds and 3 chopped green onions. If you'd like to make your noodles even more filling, consider adding proteins such as grilled chicken, shrimp, sliced beef, pork, tofu, or mushrooms. Fresh vegetables including spinach, bok choy, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, cabbage, bean sprouts, corn, snow peas, and mushrooms add color, texture, and valuable nutrients. A fried egg or soft-boiled egg is another popular topping because the creamy yolk blends beautifully with the spicy sauce. Now that you've learned about the ingredients and the flavorful sauce, it's time to start cooking and bring everything together. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.